Welcome back to my channel, guys. We are in Animal Kingdom today and I'm so excited. It's looking a little bit cloudy, but let's go ahead and head into the park. So Gustavo got us reservations for character dining inside Animal Kingdom, so we're heading that way now. Ready? So,
Find your favorite animal today, but also have you guys do our little something new. Now, you usually can see about 2 hippos over there, which is really cool. The underwater viewing area is also a really cool location because you do.
it started pouring so hard in Avatar.
Can you get our picture real quick?
Huge Christmas tree. So because of the rain, we came over to Animal Kingdom Lodge and we will definitely be staying here next time. Literally on the property, outside the window, you can see all the animals just around everywhere. It's really nice. You see them? The giraffes? Those are giraffes. They're coming, look. They're walking over here. I think this is Brielle's favorite as well because all the animals. So yes, definitely coming back next year and staying here. I love all the animals that you can see. I just wish it wasn't so cold and rainy today because I have a feeling we're probably all going to get sick. So we bought Brielle this bear. She actually chose it when we were at Animal Kingdom. But anyways, we're just relaxing here in the hotel and just waiting for the rain to stop. As you can see, Gustavo made himself very comfortable here. But I like this little room that they have off to the side. It's more quiet than like the main lobby. But we're just in here kind of relaxing. We made it back to our hotel and just in time to see the fireworks from our room.
Look at the fireworks.
I think these are Epcot fireworks, but it's so cool we can see them from our room. Good morning and happy Thanksgiving. We are heading over to Epcot for Thanksgiving Day.
We invite you to sit back.
So we broke Brielle's fever, but she's still feeling a little sick and sad. But hopefully she'll perk up once we get into Epcot because there's so much to see and do. So there's a few rides that we want to get on for sure in Epcot, which is the Ratatouille. So we're going to probably head there first. First stop is Paris. This reminds me exactly of Emily in Paris. So this is the first restaurant that had no reservations that were needed, so we're gonna eat here. So Brielle and I ended up not eating at the French place, so we came to Italy for some spaghetti and pizza. So we're in line for the Ratatouille ride, which goes to like different rooms, kind of like you're a mouse, but it's so hot in here and Brielle fell asleep. So it's Gustavo's turn to hold Brielle since she's knocked out, but this ride is taking forever for us to get to the front. Hopefully it's worth it. We made it on the ride. She's still asleep, but it's so loud, so I have a feeling she's gonna wake up soon. So we just finished taking pictures here and everything is decorated so nice. Brielle is obsessed with water right now, so we're just here looking at this huge waterfall. We're back on the gondolas. We're heading out early today. We kind of just feel sick and just really tired, I guess, from non-stop walking. So back on the plane heading home, but we stopped in Texas and we got Whataburger.